Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Kong Gateway with API keys step by step clearly. To authenticate to Kong Gateway using API keys, start by ensuring you have Kong Gateway installed and running. Access the Kong Admin API using your preferred tool, such as curl or Postman. Create a new service in Kong for your application. This can be done by sending a post request to the /services endpoint. In the body of the request, include the service name and the URL of your backend service. Once the service is created, note the service ID for later use. Next, create a route associated with the service. Send a post request to the /routes endpoint. In the request body, specify the service ID, along with the paths through which the service can be accessed. With the service and route set up, it's time to enable the KeyAuth plugin. Send a post request to the /services/service_ID/plugins endpoint. In the request body, specify the plugin name as KeyAuth. This will enable API key authentication for your service. Next, you'll generate API keys for your consumers. First, create a new consumer by sending a post request to the /consumers endpoint. In the request body, provide a username or custom identifier for the consumer. After the consumer is created, you'll generate an API key for them. Send a post request to the /consumers/consumer_ID/KeyAuth endpoint. In the body of the request, you can optionally specify a custom key. If you don't provide one, Kong will generate a unique key for you. Once the API key is generated, note it down for future use. Now, you're ready to make an authenticated request to your service. Include the API key in the request header as Kong admin key. You can now access your service through the route you defined earlier. If the API key is valid, Kong will successfully route your request to the backend service. If the key is invalid, you'll receive an unauthorized error message. This completes the step-by-step process of authenticating to Kong Gateway with API keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.